In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for a Klaviyo account. To get started, you only need a few details, and you will be ready to set up your account in just a minute or two. As you follow along, make sure you are using the official Klaviyo registration page, so you land in the right place from the beginning. First, navigate to the official Klaviyo registration page. On screen, you should see a sign-up form with fields for your email, password, and additional account information. If you are not sure you are on the official page, take a moment to check that the website address is correct before you type anything in. This helps prevent mistakes and keeps you secure. Next, enter your work email address into the email field. This is the email you will use to sign in later, and it may be used for important account updates. Use an email that you have access to and that your team can reliably use. After you type it, double-check for any spelling errors or extra spaces, since that can cause trouble during account creation. After the email is entered, you will type a secure password into the password field. Choose a password that you will remember and that follows good security practices. For example, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, if the field allows it. Then confirm that the password is entered exactly as you intend, especially if there is a visibility toggle or confirmation behavior on the page. Now you will enter your organization URL string into the company website field. This field is meant to connect your account to your organization's web presence. Paste the correct URL format that matches your organization. If you are unsure what to enter, refer to your organization's main website address, and make sure it is in the expected format. Getting this right helps Klaviyo guide you through onboarding more accurately. Once the company website information is in place, enter your phone number into the phone number field. This is commonly used for account verification or security purposes during the process. Type it carefully, using the country and number format that the form requests. If the form includes an area code section or formatting hints, follow them exactly to avoid errors. With all fields filled in, click Create Account. This action submits your information and starts the account creation process. Give it a few seconds to load. If the page shows any messages, read them carefully. If there is an error, you will typically be prompted to correct a specific field, such as the email or phone number formatting. After your account is created, you will be taken into the onboarding process. This is where you complete the wizard to set up your initial marketing goals. The wizard will ask you to select your primary marketing channel goals. Take a moment to think about what you want to focus on first, such as email marketing, SMS, or other channels supported during onboarding. Choose the options that best match how you plan to reach customers. As you go through each onboarding screen, look for the choices and confirmations the wizard provides. The goal is to personalize the setup, so Klaviyo can recommend the right next steps for your use case. If you see any prompts to confirm your selections, make sure the selections reflect your marketing priorities. When you finish the onboarding wizard, you should be set up and ready to explore the platform. At this stage, your account is active, and you have told Klaviyo what you want to focus on, so the setup can feel more relevant. If the platform offers a brief next step checklist after onboarding, you can follow it to continue building your workspace. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.